Well, oh well, I'm back again, you know. Yep, watching Ghosts on BBC. And then I wonder what's on TV1. Yeah, what the hell is on TV1? Yep. Nothing but relaxing, chilling, and everything. Wait just a minute. Well, I'm coming, y'all. Sorry it took so long. I know y'all be hating to sit an empty seat, you know. Well, I want to show y'all what came in the mail, okay? So, how many of y'all like this CD? Have anybody ever listened to Cain and Abel? Yes, indeed. This came in the mail, and this is from No Limit Records. No Limit! Got the other album, his first album after No Limit, first album from No Limit, you know, okay? Most Wanted Enterprise, okay? Most Wanted Empire, my mistake. Alright. Yep, so I want to let y'all know something. Do anybody listen to this guy right here? He is awesome. Okay, Live La Vida Loca. She bangs. Yes, indeed. Well, she bangs not on this album. Okay. Also got this other Cain and Abel album, Most Wanted. Okay. A long time ago, when I got a radio, I have a CD player with a tape player, something like behind me, but different than that, you know. But had a CD player with a tape player, and then I got a VCR, okay, so I could record music videos and stuff like that in my room, so I could watch it in my room, you know. Okay. So I want to tell y'all something, folks. I mean, I started collecting music CDs since Christmas of 2000. Okay, so the first album I got was Drama. Okay, Causing Drama, and you know I lost that in Katrina, and I think I got it somewhere. Okay, must be in here. Let's see. Okay. All right. So, I'm coming, folks, okay? I mean, I'm looking around, and y'all probably getting bored. Not only that, so some of y'all probably changing the channel, or cutting me off or something, you know? Well, if y'all doing that, that's fine, okay? Watch my next video then, okay? Y'all don't have to watch this video, or something, okay? Alright, so, alright, and you know something, y'all, do y'all remember Crazy from Flavor of Love? I wonder if y'all remember her. Her birthday is next month, May the 30th, okay, May the 30th, okay, so it's May the 30th next month, okay? Alright? So, I want to tell y'all something, y'all. I mean, I want to let y'all know I had a serious crush on her, you know. I wanted to be with her. Uh-oh. I dropped my CDs, goddamn. Okay. Well, I'll look for that CD another time, I guess. Shit. Excuse my language. I remember I said I don't like cursing on my show. And I'm cursing on my show my damn self, you know. That CD must be the next one. Or something like that. Mm-hmm. Yep. Looking through all this. Can hardly wait. Well, I guess I'm gonna look for that drama CD. Y'all remember that song Left, Right, Left? Y'all remember that song Left, Right, Left, huh? How many of y'all remember that song? I remember it real good. Okay? So, well, I might as well show y'all this. Okay? This right here. Do or Die Victory. This my favorite Do or Die album. Okay? Victory! Can you make it hot like this? Oh, and you know what? Just in case Spice One is looking, Spice I have your album, you heard me? Alright. Yep. Check this out. Spice One, 1996. Alright. 187 he wrote. The Black Bossolini. Immortalized. And my favorite album, America's Nightmare. Okay, my favorite song is Strap on the Side. You know, I like that song, Strap on the Side. You know, Busters can't see me, my Uzi goes bang. Yes indeed, sticking to the G code. Yes indeed. Sticking to the G code. Yes indeed. Yeah, gotta listen to it. These boys got love for me. I don't use that N word, but I'm not gonna say that N word, you know. And sing the blues. Another and sings the blues, but I'm not gonna use that N word though. Okay. I like thugging me on this one too. Player Man, you know, I like this song, you know. I never seen the music video before until I watched YouTube, you know. I remember watching The Box a long time ago, but I never had a chance to watch the music video, you know. The music video of Player Man, you know. And I don't think Spice One made a music video of this album, you know. So I want to tell y'all something. I never watched the Player Man video in my life until I got the internet. You know what I'm saying? In 1999, in junior high school, my classmates bought this and this to school. Okay, I was in the 9th grade that time. This album had just came out. All right, so. Did listen to the song Player Man. I thought it was on this album, but all that time Player Man was on this album. I thought it was on this album, you know. And Player Man, I like that song. And you know, I was surprised that Spice One got his haircut that time. On here look like he had his braids. Y'all see? Yeah. I was surprised though. So this came out in 1997. Okay. So do y'all remember them apartments I showed y'all on St. Anthony? I used to live in that area on St. Anthony, and that building, that building where Beacon Light Baptist Church is. I used to live around there. You know that there used to be a store, a supermarket, but before I moved in that area, it was abandoned, okay? So, I guess that's all I gotta say, okay? Alright, bye-bye.